Hi everyone, this is Isabel and I'm back with a quick video. I will be doing a collage on tracing paper. I did a video some months ago on the same idea, but I used packing paper, which was inspired by another video maker. I did some stamping a month ago on tracing paper, but I don't think I recorded it. I was working on some cards earlier and I needed some background stamping. That's when I remembered stamping on tracing paper. So all I'm using is tracing paper that I bought at Walmart and black fade resistant ink. Real quick, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell for notifications. It doesn't cost anything, but it means a lot to me and inspires me to make new videos. And if you like it, click the like button. And if you don't, click the not like button. That also inspires me to do better. I gathered some stamps, all Tim Holtz. I had some of his stamps on my table from a previous project, so I just went and gathered more just to stay consistent. I am just randomly stamping all over with the same stamp and leaving space for more. I am using permanent ink so it does not smear if I ever use it with watercoloring. A lot of the stamps have script, which I love on my backgrounds. There's many quotes and maps also. And of course, there is Umbrella Man. I love that image. I also have it in a die. I'm doing a lot of second and third generation stamping just to use up the ink on the stamp. I hate to waste my inks and try to preserve them as much as I can. Anywhere I see space, I stamp. I try to work with the sizing of the stamp and the space that I have left as I'm stamping randomly. I end up with small spaces where I am able to use the smaller stamps of the sets that I am working with. I really am not worried about the placement because this is collage paper that I will be tearing as I use it. Even the direction of the stamps doesn't really matter. I am stamping mostly everything in the same direction, but like I said, it does not even matter, since you will be using random sections when you're tearing or cutting from it. This is a really good project to do when you feel like crafting but don't really have a project in mind or are limited with time. You can finish this collage in about 10 to 15 minutes depending on how careful you are with your stamping, which you don't have to. Just have fun with your stamping. This is the kind of stamping that it does not matter if the image is sharp or complete. I love how it's coming together and becoming something that is beautiful but that will be functional also. The random stamping feels good and the images are looking as if they were always meant to be where they are placed, even though I have no idea where I'm going to stamp when I'm doing it. I'm making decisions based on where I have available space and how much space there is. I'm actually thinking I should go buy larger pieces of tracing paper so I can have more space to stamp on. I'm telling you, it may not look like fun watching me do it, but it is so much fun while you're doing it. I do heat set the ink because I am working on other projects as I'm doing this video. As you can tell, the tracing paper looks like vellum over other papers. This is really addictive. I actually wanted to get more tracing paper and do more. It is so convenient having it already ready for future projects. When I need some quick stamping, I just reach for my collage paper and tear as much as I need. I really like the idea of stamping all over with no real vision of what it's going to look like. It also gives you an opportunity to use up new stamps or old ones that you have forgotten about. Well, I hope you try it if you have not tried this before. I bet you will like it and continue to make more collage paper as you start using it up. I only used black ink, but can you imagine using the pretty inks out there? Well, that's it for now. Have fun making your own collage paper on tracing paper. See you next time. Be safe. Bye.